Hello, I'm Tarotist Maggie Norton, and I'm bringing you the tarot card of the week. This week, I've chosen the Three of Wands. Whoa. Fun, fiery. Oh my goodness. So the threes, all about creativity, right? The wands is all about action, your life force energy, and really your passion. This is a card of passion. So I'm going to encourage you to express your passion this week. Okay, I want you to be singing, dancing, writing, making music, making love, whatever it is that you want to do that expresses this creative process. The Three of Wands is going to help just this creativity to be experienced, okay? It's not something that you're going to manifest right away, but experience your passion. Creativity is passion in motion. So get out there and feel it and experience it, okay? What else can I say? That's all I really want to say about the Three of Wands. I don't want to complicate it at all. Tap into your passion and your creative energy and use it. Have fun with it. Okay? So if you're a writer, write. If you're a painter, paint. If you're a dancer, dance. You figure it out. Okay? If you don't know where your creativity lies, pay attention to what you're drawn to and what you really feel strongly and passionately about this week. That will clue you in, okay, to your own creative process. It'll help free up more of your energy to experience that creativity in your life as well. So have fun this week. Use the Three of Wands. Enjoy. Talk to you soon.